How to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application. So by the way, what happens here is that let's say you're trying to send a snap to someone over here. So you basically tap the photos icon to choose the one from a camera roll, but then it gets sent as a chat. So you want to send that as a normal snap. So to send as a normal snap from the snap page, all you have to do is simply tap the little search bar from the bottom right of the screen. Now from here you can see the search bar. Now if you're sending a video, you will need a video filter. If you're sending a photo, you can use a photo filter. Just type in something such as photo over here, then you'll see camera roll option here. So this will basically pick up photos from your device. So you can select that and then you can choose to pick a photo or video from your device as a normal one. And after you have done that, just hit this little shutter button. Then that particular snap has been taken. Now you can just hit the send button, and this time if you send, it will get sent as a normal snap. So you have to use a filter and then select that photo or video, not directly send it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.